Good morning. Today we are going to talk about this problem named slippers pair problem. Now, what is this problem? In this problem, chef has n slippers, right? So there are n slippers the chef is having. L is for left, right? And the rest one are for right. Now, slipper must be sold in a pair. One pair equals to one left plus one right. If one pair cost X rupees, what is the maximum money chef can get? Right? So this is the problem. And let's see how we solve this problem, how it works. So usually in the problem, we know that there are L slippers for the left side. And for the right side, total minus L, right? N minus L. Now, how many pairs we can make? So we have to make the smallest pair. Which one is smallest among both of them? We will pair that. If the right one is smaller, we will go with the right one. If the left one is smaller, we will go with the left one. Right? So let's take an example. The maximum pair is if you have 7 left slippers, right? And you have 3 right slippers. How many pairs you can maximum make? Only 3, because there are 3 maximum right? So only 3 pairs can be make. So this is the situation that you have to make the maximum pair, and at the end how much money you have earned, that is also given. The maximum pair multiply X is the value how much money you can earn. Let's see. These are some inputs. So first, the value of n is 0. Right? So n is the total number of slippers. So they don't have any total numbers of slippers. So since it's 0, so the output money will be 0 itself. Right? There is no further discussion. Then if the n is 10, means one has total 10 slippers, 10 pairs of slippers. Let's see how many of them are left. Only one is left, other are 9, right? So you are given with 1, you have to find out right. So 10 minus 1 will give you 9. So total you have 1 left and 9 right slippers. So how many maximum pair you can make? We have to find the minimum among them. So 9 of 1, the minimum will be 1, right? If you have 9 right side and 1 left side, only 1 pair you can make, because you cannot have right side on both the sides of your leg. Like on left you cannot wear right, so the minimum will be 1. Okay, so the pair that they can create is 1. Now since 1 is the number of pairs they can create, but the total money is given 0, so the money will be 0, because anything multiplied by 0 will give you 0 as an output. So you have to make like this. Now, moving on. The next problem. Here, total you have 1000, right? And L is 10. In from 1000, 10 pairs are left. How many are right? 1000 minus 10, that is 990. So you have total 990 pairs that are right. Right? So how many maximum pair you can make? 10 as a maximum pair I can make. So 10 is the pair that I can make. Now, I need to print the money. So pair multiply by the amount, and then it will become 10,000. Right? I think now the problem is very, very clear with everybody. Let's take another scenario. You have total 10 pairs, out of which 7 are left. Right? And how many left for right? 3. Right? And then what you need to find? The minimum of both the pairs. So since the minimum is the right one, 3. So it will go with the 3, as you can maximum have 3 pairs. Now the money is 3 multiplied by x. X is 1, so the output will give you 3. So this is the simple explanation of the problem that is there. Now, what about the logic? The only thing that you need to find out is, first you need to find out the right, because you are given with the left, you are given with the total number of pairs, you have to find out the right value. So this formula you need to find out, total minus left will give you right. And the next is the maximum pair. You have to find out the maximum pair they can make. So the maximum the pair they can make is minimum of both left and right. Right? Whatever is minimum, you have to find out the maximum. And at the end, money on whatever maximum pair you are having, multiply by x. Right? So let's go to the code and let's see how we did it. So I usually do it in C programming. So this is how it is. So here n is the total number of pairs that you are entering, right? L is a left and x is basically the how much money they are getting, right? So multiply by x, you have to multiply, then you find the money. So first of all, first thing is, since I know total number of pairs and I know L, so I will find out the right. Okay, once I will find out the right, now I have to find how many maximum pairs I can have from right and left. I have left pairs, I have right pairs. So how to find out how many maximum pairs I can have? Minimum of this. So here, if the left is smaller than right, right? So this is your conditional statement, question mark. So if it's true, it will go with left. If it's false, it will go with right. Simple logic. To reduce the complexity, we use these type of logics. So integer pair, right? If the value of left is smaller than that of right, go with the left. And if the value of left is greater than that of right, then go with right. We have to select the maximum pair, that is minimum. Whatever is minimum, we have to select. Then the amount should be multiplied by the value of x, right? And print amount. That's it. And this is how you will get it. I think you've understood the problem. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.